cells. Animal cells, man. We got that swagger. You think you are better than us, but we got those moves like Jack. I'd step on your cells with my organ nation. I make them all up, the best of creation. I support myself like my own space station. So many functions you could make a claymation. Let me blow your brain with my cell membrane. It's like a bouncer. Lets you in or out. Nutrients pass through like a wire or a cable. You know what it is. It's selectively permeable. What about something to hold up my body? Keep it looking so cool. In my cell, gel like goo. Some say it's cytoplasm, but it's called cytosol too. My nucleus controls my organelles like a microscopic Darth Vader. 46 chromosomes, almost every nucleus has them. It's got its own cytosol too, called nucleoplasm. Nucleolus is the name, storing genetics is the game. Let's say you're the nucleus and you got a problem. Well, it's me who's called to action to solve it. Ribosomes too help make my cell go through. They are the workbench of the cell, and get with this, they're also the source of protein synthesis. Mitochondria makes the cell's energy. It converts all of it to ATP. Amount of them depends on the place. It could be in the heart's lungs, legs, or face. The Golgi body helps things go round, sort of packages these vesicles and sends them on their way. If it's working, there's always going to be mail on Sunday.
Cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, I got those as well. They support the same functions, except plants are swell. You'll for sure end up burning in the depths of, fire. Another thing we use besides swagger, it uses sun's power to make chemical energy. It uses mitochondria to turn energy into ATP. It's a chloroplast, like my own grocery bagger. You say your cell is better, but you haven't been around. I have a vacuole in my center for water storage and breakdown. It's a double use too. It keeps my cells shape. Just like you, I have lysosomes. It breaks down things into stuff I can use. Destroy it, recycle it, I just can't lose. The cytoskeleton is something else we have in common. 3 protein fibers help build your lump while the same helps make up my body. Centrioles help put our cytoskeleton together. They form in right angles and are really connected. Except we are stronger and it is easier to protect it. I have a cell wall over my membrane. Beat that. You say you are tough, but my make is strictly rigid. Made of polysaccharides, cellulose, gonna make you go frigid. Smooth ER, it is important as well. It builds lipids and hormones in animals and plants. Anything from potato pots to small ants. Rough ER is a counterpart to the smooth. It's covered in ribosomes, like flies on manure. But my proteins couldn't be made without these, that's for sure. Watch what you're saying about plants, we're the best. Sure, put your flimsy little mesh to the test. I make my own food with my chloroplast. Hear a tree fall, you're gonna to hear my blast. My lyrics are so crazy, they gonna drive you insane. What you got to say about that, Mr. Membrane?
Cells are very important to all living things. They're like the bricks that make up very tall buildings. They allow for the formation of tissue and even an organ, which then allow our bodies to function. Different cells do different jobs, and they're organized so we aren't dysfunctional blobs. Many cells are needed to fill these roles, and without the cell,